Hi everyone, Alicia here from Stretch It app, and on today's episode of Stretch It Exercises, we have 3 joint-friendly exercises to improve daily movement quality. Starting with one leg at a time, let's extend knee out in front of us. We could start with our right and take your ankle circle around. Make sure you don't shortchange the pattern, that you get that full extension and full flexion as well as the side when taking your foot around. For 3, 2, and 1, reset center and now reverse your circle. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's switch sides. Left knee extends, foot's out. Start your circle to the outside. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reverse other way. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now alternating knees, lift one and then the other. You can assist yourself by placing both hands underneath the thigh. If you need, one hand on the outside and the other to support your leaning back, just so that you have enough space to make that hip flexion happen. And let's coordinate our breath. Inhale, reset. Exhale, lift. Breath in. Exhale, lift. One more each side. Last time. Rest both hands on the thighs. Take your shoulder circle around. Make it nice and big so you can feel that stretch across the chest as well as across the upper back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If you want to improve your flexibility and take more classes, check out our app. You can find the link down below in the description box. And if you like what you saw here and want to see more videos, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.